Stop building a legacy you'll never experience. Your true desire is to live your legacy now, to witness your impact ripple through your family, your partnerships, your teams, and your soul groups right now. And the number one thing sabotaging the creation of your legacy at this moment is misalignment. You're not aligned with your own value system and your own vision. This means you're spending your time and your energy building other people's values and not yours. Those other values are not resonant with your true soul group, family, partners, community, those people who actually share your values and vision. As a result, the impact that you should be having for the people that you should be having it for, it's not being had. You are starving your own legacy. To create a generational impact, you must manifest your own personal value system. Your maximum impact is the full manifestation of your entire value system and the resulting achievement of your spiritual vision. This alignment produces the real legacy, the resources and the tools, social status, assets, leverage, connections that become the foundation for your entire spiritual family. This is what allows your children, family, partners, community, culture to develop their gifts more easily. They get to add their layers to your mountain of success, to the entire ancestors' mountain of success, instead of recarving yours. This is why your alignment right now is the only thing that matters. The second thing that is sabotaging your legacy is some false philosophy that deprivation builds character. We are unknowingly taught that our children must reclimb our mountain to be strong. This, in my experience, is a lie. It's making them run your race, not theirs. This deprivation model is a disaster. It's forcing the next generation to waste their gifts on survival, on reaccumulating resources, rather than using those resources to build something profound and meaningful to them, and impactful to the ancestral legacy upon which they built. The cheat code to all of this is to align with your true nature and to align with your personal timing. Developing your gifts using astrology produces a way of utilizing skills that is unique to you and that works exclusively for you. It is the efficient, optimal path to producing your values and your vision. This alignment makes you a magnetic force for your value system. It perpetuates the manifestation of your values, leads to your personal vision, and it ensures that your impact reverberates infinitely. It is the only way you begin to manifest your legacy now.